What's going on, guys? Danny, your Wi-Fi astronaut, back here again today for another video. And today we are going to be going over how I source my products for Amazon. And we're going to be going over specifically today the different softwares I use to source these products. Now, I have made videos on this in the past, but this is a great video if you are new here to my channel or if you want to see what current tech stack I'm using right now as of today to source my products for Amazon. So without further ado, let's get into it. So the first the first software we have here is Wholesale Inspector. Now, if you don't know what Wholesale is, you probably don't know what Wholesale Inspector is. So let me just explain to you really quick how Wholesale or Amazon Wholesale works. So generally, in the kind of line of work I do is I ask the sales reps for what's called a master catalog or a price list, which has the UPC, which is the universal product code, which identifies the product. Only one product can have one UPC code, and it's unique to that product. And then I'll ask them for the wholesale price on that product, all on the same sheet. And then what I do is they give me these sheets or these master catalogs or price lists, and there could be hundreds or usually there's thousands of products on them. So I have to put them into a software so I can sort through them easier and more quickly. And that is what Wholesale Inspector allows me to do. It is the best software I found for this thus far. It is the quickest by far, and it is the most accurate by far. And I just like the setup and the dashboard for it. So here you can see an older price list that I pulled up that I think I actually made a video on. And this is what it looks like. So, you have the actual cost of the product, the buy box price, the average buy box price 30 days, average buy box price over 90 days, the average bestsellers rank over 30 days. And there's a ton of stuff that you can put in here and take out. You can put custom stuff. You can put map, which is minimum advertised price. You can put that in there. You can put a ton of stuff in here, create different filters. I love Wholesale Inspector. I highly recommend it. If you guys do want to try it out, link is in the bio for a free trial. But that, for the most part, is Wholesale Inspector. I do also have a longer video on it. I'll try and link it somewhere on the screen. It's about a 45-minute video, I think, that goes really in-depth on Wholesale Inspector. If you are looking to get in wholesale, this is the tool you need. So that will be, again, linked down below. Now, the next bunch of items or software I use. The first one, this is for my in-browser profit calculator. Now, I'm sure you guys know, but there is the FBA calc right here, which is it's the FBA calc. This is Amazon's profit calculator, and then you simply put in the ASIN, and then you can do the profit calculations yourself. Now, this is a free version. This doesn't cost any money to use. You just have to. I don't even think you have to have an Amazon seller account to actually use it. You can use it as a guest. Okay, BJ's Wholesale is emailing me. But I absolutely love ASIN, AZ Insight by ASIN Zen. This is what I've been using for a while now. I only have the FBA calculator up here because I don't do FBM shipping anymore, but you can add that back in the settings. I have my prep cost in this, and then then it will calculate the average inventory storage time. So it will give you a few more pennies or maybe a couple dollars depending on the size of the product on how long it thinks it will sit. But pretty much, so the sell price here is $49.99, and let's say I'm going through on my other screen what the buy cost is really quick. Let's say it's $29 shipped. So right now, automatically, right away, I know that I'm going to be able to get $6.53 profit on this product without having to go into the FBA calc and then type in everything. It already has the buy box sell price in it, and it already has my other figures in it as well. Also, so does Wholesale Inspector, just by the way, on the profit. This is all stuff you can add in before. This is a necessary tool. There's a ton of different profit calculators out there, but this is the most accurate one I found, and it's the one I like the best, and that's AZ Insight by ASIN Zen. The next one down here is going to be Keepa chart. I'm sure you guys have heard this before, but Keepa is absolutely the most necessary product or software if you can ever have. If you get anything out of this video, you have to get Keepa if you think you're going to sell on Amazon. It allows you to see the sales ranks and a whole bunch of historical data, such as the buy box price, previous buy box price, third-party FBM prices, different used prices. It even has the eBay ones up here, which I don't use. It is an absolutely necessary thing, and it does a ton of stuff more than just giving you the sales ranks of products. And you got You got the new offer count, which is very important as well, but you can track products and set notifications for when it goes above or below a certain price. You can see different data on the product. So like right here, if we click offers, or actually, sorry, buy box statistics, we can see who has been in the buy box. I think this goes only up to a year, but we can see the different sellers and who held the buy box the longest. So you can see the great deal here has won this buy box 42% of the time in the past year, or in the past however long they were tracking it. So right here, yeah, we can only go back a year. So Amazon has held it 76% of the time in the past year. In the past 90 days, Amazon has been in the past 30. It's been the great deal along with Amazon here. And then there's different, you can go to variations, which is for obviously variation pages. Settings, you can change different settings, whatever you want. It is an absolutely amazing product. I believe it's like $20 a month still, depending on the conversion rate, because you technically pay in euros. But it is the hands down, you need this product. There's no ifs, ands, or buts around it. Now, that is truthfully what I only use for wholesale. But when I'm doing some online arbitrage, I use tactical arbitrage, which is essentially you're able to sort through different sites and reverse source sites. So let's say I'm going on Home Depot. I can load in Home Depot to TA and then source through it. And the main way I do that by loading complete websites like that is by using a app or a Chrome extension called Tactical Expander. Now, when I bought this, I bought the lifetime version for $500. I'm not sure on the okay. So these are the prices now: $29 or yearly $297. I got a lifetime one for $500, which is pretty cool. But this allows you to basically go on the website and then, so let's say you go on, let's say Walmart or let's say Home Depot again, and I want to get every single UPC on the page or on the pages of a certain category. You do that with Tactical Expander. So basically, you run it on the page, and then it goes through all of the pages that you that are set, and then it grabs all the UPCs and all the relevant information for that product, and then you bring it back over to TA, and then you input it into TA and run it to see what's profitable and what's not. Now, these are both great software tools. I don't use these very much anymore because I'm mostly focused on wholesale. But when I was grinding away, we were using these all day, every day. And fun fact, Tactical Arbitrage just got bought by 3 Colts for a lot of money. But these are the prices on TA. Again, it's pretty fair, to be honest, what you're getting. All of these prices on all this software is pretty fair. Because a lot of it's necessary, especially Keepa. It's absolutely necessary. But I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Like I said, all those links are going to be down below. And if you would like the free email template for how I email brands and how I get products from brands on Brand Direct Deals, that will also be linked below. But this is Danny. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.